So it's no wonder really why all of our kind of farmland seed-eating birds we're seeing these huge declines in, and it's year on year. And a lot of this, I mean, people will see kind of the birds about and then it gets to winter and they think, oh, they've all just disappeared off the site, they've gone elsewhere, but a lot of them have just died, and that's the straight truth of it. And that kind of annual winter mortality is driving these declines. So if we can bring in something like this, which is just full of seed, that's going to help feed the birds through the winter. When this crop, because the seed on this crop will become diminished, it won't last forever, when that's starting to go, that's when the supplementary feeding in the buckets really kicks in, because the birds are used to coming to the area and using the area. They're not finding the seed in the crop that they used to, although we've still got this fantastic habitat, so then they're switching to the buckets and using the seed from there. And as I was saying a minute ago, we've got chaffinches here, we've got linnets here, you've had yellowhammers on the farm in the past, I've seen reed buntings here, greenfinches here. So all these kind of seed-eating species are really going to benefit from this. And then we were talking before about the overwintering insects within the crop because it's a bit warmer. So song thrushes, blackbirds, things like that are going to love this as well. It's ticking lots and lots of boxes for lots of species. And then if you've got a 2-year crop like this kale will flower next year, and that'll be full of pollinators and also full of lots of other insects again. So we're getting those birds in really good condition for the breeding season, and then we're providing them with what's called an insect-rich habitat, which is full of the insects which they need to feed their chicks because that's full of protein, and those chicks can then hopefully get away better, survive better as well. So it's all of those benefits in one area.